What's up, y'all? Cara here. I'm going to be trying on some clothes from JLuxe label. So this is my first time ever ordering from them. So I'm excited to try it. Hopefully I like it. And I'm not gonna lie, they are kind of expensive, but I got this on a sale. So hold on, we're gonna try it. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna be trying is this orange dress. It's called Orange Midnight Memories, and I got it in a extra large. So hold on, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Y'all excuse my bra. I wouldn't wear this bra with this dress, but this is what the dress looks like. You know, I think it's really cute, and the material is like super thick, and I love that. So it's like really nice quality, and it's not gonna rip up. But the only issue I have, I usually wear a 1X, and I decided to try an extra large just to see, and I should have got a 1X. Well, I don't think they sell 1X in this dress. That's why I got an extra large, but it's really cute. Like I can deal with it. It's not too tight to where I can't breathe, but I still think it's cute, and I will wear it out. So okay, so this is the skirt. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the skirt. Again, the material is nice and thick, and I like this little slit in the dress. And I also got this in a size extra large, and I can actually fit this. Like, it has a lot of stretch, so I can definitely wear this and be comfortable. So yeah, this is gonna be a nice skirt for the summer. Okay, so my next thing we're gonna try on is this dress. It is the Shea Mock neck dress. Okay, and then I got this size in an extra large. Okay, y'all, I finally got the dress on, and this is my favorite dress or outfit from this line. Again, the material is very thick, so you know it's nice quality. It hugs you in the right places. And I got this in an extra large, and I told y'all I'm usually a 1X, but I squeeze my little ass in this, okay? So the back of it is out, so disregard my bra. I wouldn't wear this. That's why I'm showing you guys this. This is a backless bodysuit, so I would wear this under this so my bra wouldn't show. And it still holds up your, you know, your girls. And I got this from She Wasted. Yeah, so I would wear this under this so my bra wouldn't show, but I didn't feel like putting this on so you guys can see. But this is the dress. It's very long. It's a kind of like a maxi dress, and I just think this is so cute. I can't wait till I have somewhere to go so I can wear it. But the back, the detail in the back is just chef kiss. So this is my favorite outfit. I recommend JLuxe label. It is expensive, like I said. So you got some extra coins you don't mind kind of splurging on, go to them. Like I said, the material is very high quality. This will last a long time. And yeah, that is it for this review, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.